Your garage floor is prime real estate. Every square inch you give up to a new tool needs to earn its keep. Most of us start out with those loud, buzzy little pancake compressors that sound like a bag of angry bees. They work for a minute, then they gasp for air. You end up waiting while your impact wrench sits useless on the floor. That is the exact moment you start looking at something more substantial. You look for a vertical 29-gallon workhorse. It is not some dainty hobbyist toy. It is also not a $10,000 industrial monster. It sits in that sweet spot where serious projects actually get finished. The first thing you notice is the weight. This thing is heavy. It uses a cast iron or a lubricated pump. In a world of cheap disposable plastic parts, cast iron feels right. It feels like a relic from a time when tools were built to last decades. Because it uses oil, the whole operation is smoother. It runs cooler than the cheap stuff. It does not have that high-pitched, ear-piercing scream. You can actually stand near it without feeling like your head is going to explode. The vertical design is a stroke of genius for anyone working in a cramped garage. You get all that air capacity without losing a massive footprint. Now, let us talk about what this machine can actually do. If you are framing a deck or working on your car suspension, it is a champion. It handles nail guns and impact wrenches with ease. You get over 5 cubic feet per minute at 90 pounds per square inch. That is plenty of muscle for the average home mechanic. However, do not expect it to act like a professional shop powerhouse. If you plan on hooking up a massive dual-action sander for hours, you will hit a wall. It needs time to breathe. It needs recovery cycles. This is a tool for the person who respects the process. You have to change the oil. You have to drain the moisture from the tank regularly. If you treat it like a piece of precision machinery, it rewards you. It is a bridge between entry-level junk and high-end professional gear. You are paying for reliability and a much higher ceiling of capability. It is not truly portable. You cannot just toss it in a trunk. It stays where you put it. But once it is set up, it becomes the heart of your workspace. It provides that consistent, powerful flow that makes air tools satisfying. It is about having the right amount of power for the job. You avoid overspending on an industrial unit you will never fully utilize. It is rugged. It is loud but manageable. It fills a gap in the market that many manufacturers ignore. You get the durability of a professional pump with the footprint of a home tool. For the person tired of waiting for their small tank to refill, this is the upgrade that makes the workshop feel complete. It stands out because it does not pretend to be something it is not. It is a mid-range workhorse designed for the person who spends their weekends covered in grease and sawdust. You get a reliable stream of air that keeps up with your pace. It turns frustrating, slow-moving projects into efficient tasks. It is an investment in your own productivity. When you hear that motor kick on, you know you have the pressure needed to get the bolt off or the nail driven home. It is exactly what a garage tool should be. It is functional, sturdy, and focused on the job at hand. You want equipment that works as hard as you do. This compressor delivers on that promise without the industrial price tag. It represents a commitment to doing things right. No more shortcuts. No more waiting on a tiny motor to catch up. Just consistent power when you need it most. This is how you take your home shop to the next level.